How to create Outlook rules. So if you want to create Outlook rules, then first of all you need to open up your Outlook. Simply go for your Outlook, search for Outlook, and then you can open up that and make sure to log into your account. And after logging into your Outlook, now what you can do is you can simply right click on that message, and here you will have advanced options, and under that you will have create rule option. Simply click on create rule, and here you can go for more options, and from here you can edit your rule. So here you will have that rule, right? So you can simply remove this, and then you can name your rule. So you can simply command something, and after naming your rule, now you can add a condition from this to this, and then you can also add another condition if you want to add another one. And on the third step you have to add an action. So click on this drop down bar, and then you can choose an action. So what you want that rule to do for you, you can simply choose an action, and then you can simply click on save, which is here. And after entering all of these blanks, you can simply click on save, and that's it. That's how you add a rule on your Outlook. And you can also add another rule by simply clicking on this add new rule. So that's it. That's how you create rules on Outlook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.